Welcome to this in-depth exploration of the ongoing legal battle between the US government and Apple. Today, we'll dive into the details of the antitrust lawsuit filed by the Department of Justice against the industry giant, accusing it of holding an illegal monopoly over the smartphone market. Buckle up as we unravel the intricate allegations and potential implications of this high-stakes case. We are going to break down this discussion as 1. Understanding the lawsuit. 2. The allegations ecosystem lockdown. 3. App functionality and distribution constraints. 4. Cross-platform compatibility issues. 5. Limiting third-party integration. 6. The Department of Justice proposed remedy. 7. Apple's defense. 8. The broader implications. Let's start by understanding the core of this lawsuit and the Department of Justice motivations. The Department of Justice, backed by 16 states, has filed a landmark antitrust lawsuit against Apple, alleging that the company has engaged in practices that stifle competition and create an illegal smartphone monopoly. This legal action is part of a broader effort by the US government to regulate and hold tech giants accountable for potential anti-competitive behaviors. Now, let's dive deeper into the specific allegations leveled against Apple's ecosystem. The lawsuit accuses Apple of employing tactics that effectively lock users into the iPhone ecosystem, making it difficult and costly for both users and developers to explore alternatives. According to the Department of Justice, these practices inflate prices for consumers and developers alike, ultimately harming competition and innovation. One of the key allegations revolves around app functionality and distribution constraints. The Department of Justice claims that Apple restricts app functionality and distribution in ways that could lead users to switch platforms. This includes limiting how innovative new apps and cloud streaming services can be made available to iPhone users, potentially hindering competition and user choice. Cross-platform compatibility is another area of concern addressed in the lawsuit. The lawsuit alleges that Apple intentionally degrades the quality of communication between iPhones and Android devices, creating barriers for users to seamlessly interact with those on different platforms. This includes issues such as grainy multimedia messages and limitations on how third-party messaging apps can integrate with iPhones. The allegations don't stop there. The lawsuit also takes aim at Apple's practices regarding third-party integration. According to the Department of Justice, Apple imposes restrictions that prevent competing smartwatches, digital wallets, and other technologies from fully integrating with the iPhone ecosystem. This lack of interoperability allegedly hinders innovation and consumer choice, solidifying Apple's grip on the market. In light of these allegations, the Department of Justice is seeking specific remedies to address the alleged anti-competitive practices. The lawsuit seeks 3 main remedies from Apple. 1, court order barring Apple from using its App Store to block innovative new apps. 2, lifting restrictions that prevent other messaging apps, smartwatches, digital wallets, and technologies from seamlessly integrating with the iPhone. 3, preventing Apple from using contractual terms to obtain, maintain, or extend its alleged monopoly. While the lawsuit does not explicitly call for a breakup of Apple, it leaves open the possibility of further relief as needed to address competitive harm. Of course, Apple has vehemently denied the allegations and is preparing a robust defense. Apple has refuted the Department of Justice's claims, stating that the lawsuit is wrong on the facts and the law. The company argues that its practices are designed to create a compelling and consumer-friendly experience, protecting privacy and security while fostering innovation. Apple believes that the lawsuit threatens its core principles and could set a dangerous precedent that hinders its ability to develop seamlessly integrated products. Beyond the legal battle, this lawsuit carries broader implications for the tech industry and consumer rights. This lawsuit represents a significant step in the ongoing efforts to regulate and rein in the power of tech giants. If successful, it could pave the way for similar regulations and legal actions in the United States, potentially reshaping the mobile landscape and empowering consumers with greater choice and competition. However, critics argue that such measures could stifle innovation and disrupt the carefully curated user experience that has made Apple products so popular. Before we conclude, let's not forget the call to action. If you found this in-depth analysis informative and engaging, please show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and leaving a comment sharing your thoughts on the following question. Do you believe Apple's ecosystem practices constitute an illegal monopoly or are justified in the interest of providing a seamless user experience? We value your input and look forward to an insightful discussion. The legal battle between the US government and Apple is shaping up to be a defining moment in the tech industry's regulatory landscape. As the Department of Justice seeks to break Apple's alleged grip on the smartphone market, the outcome of this case could have far-reaching consequences for consumer choice, innovation, and the future of tech ecosystems. Stay tuned for further developments, and remember to engage with our channel by liking, subscribing, and contributing to the discussion.